If you think you've got bad credit, then let's talk about it. Hi guys, it's Sam. I hope you're good. And for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Sam and I own a company called UK Mortgage Centre where we aim to help first-time buyers all across the UK secure home ownership with their first mortgage. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is all about bad credit and how that may or may not affect your first mortgage application. Now, before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now. Have you done it? Great, let's get started. Bad credit simply refers to an individual that typically has a history of not repaying loans, failing to pay the bills on time, or is in a significant amount of debt. You may also have poor credit if you don't have any sort of loan repayment or bill paying history. So for example, if you've recently just turned 18 or you've just moved to the UK. This is because lenders have nothing to assess your ability to make payments on. A lower credit score is an indication that you might have bad credit. You can check your credit score by using online credit report agencies like Check My File, Experian, Equifax, those sorts of guys, and they'll give you access to an online credit report and credit score. But why is it harder to get a mortgage with bad credit? Well, if you've not taken out a loan before or used any sort of credit scheme previously, then you may be unaware of how poor credit can impact your chances of obtaining a mortgage. As bad credit typically indicates that someone might have a lot of debt, fails to repay their bills on time or ever at all, or struggles to repay loans, then mortgage lenders are far more likely to see individuals as a riskier investment. In many cases, they will avoid offering deals to individuals that seem unlikely to be able to repay the loan altogether. Mortgage lenders will analyse your credit file to understand your financial history before making you that formal mortgage offer. The good news is though, it's not impossible to get a mortgage with a bad credit score, as some lenders even have specific deals designed for people with a bad score or a low score, and these can include higher interest rates and sometimes often involve some higher upfront fees. So let's look at what you can do to increase your chances of getting a mortgage if you do have a bad or low credit score. So the first things first, register to vote. Make sure you're on the electoral roll. Second, look for and amend any mistakes on your credit report. Even a wrong address can affect that score. Number 3 is meet all bill payment deadlines. Don't miss a phone, internet, or Klarna repayment. Make sure they're on time. Number 4 is check for fraud. If you've been the victim of fraud, your score might be lowered unfairly. 5 is try and repay off any outstanding debt. Where possible, pay back loans before trying to get a mortgage. And 6 is cancel any unused credit cards and bank accounts. If you've not used an account or credit card for a long time, then you might want to close it. In most cases, it's easier to contact a broker, just like ourselves, who can work with you, work through your current circumstances and make sure that you're getting the best deal possible. Now, if you're worried about your mortgage application due to bad credit, then simply click the link in the comments below, reach out to a team member, and we'll see if we can help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.